get a bottle.
No.
Here, take a little bite. You don't want to take a big bite. You can eat the rest of that leg right there. Just that little bitty tiny bite.
Oh.
It's like a gummy bear, isn't it? It don't taste bad, does it? It doesn't taste like anything, huh?
Yeah, try it, Jay.
See?
No.
She
I
did it.
tried it.
No, Jay, don't do it.
And it's so cute.
I tried it.
And it's not gross, is
How
it?
much money did she get?
You get $1.
$5
You have
is
$1.
what it got up to.
No, $5 if she ate 2 legs.
If she ate one leg.
She didn't even eat a whole leg. She took a nibble off of the end of a leg. If you eat the head, I'll give you $5.
No. Brenna,
eat
you
Bite a
don't
hole in
have-
the head.
Is that cold?
Bite it. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Show mommy the head in your mouth. Look, mommy, the head's in her mouth. Here, just put it in your mouth. I don't need it. Just let it hang in your mouth. Now bite down. Just like do this. Just like this. Do that too. Do that. Look, mom. It's covering your eyes.
Okay, Brittany.
I love you.